I'm standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge to never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum for all the things that are to come. Take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep. This is the adventure of a lifetime, a moment that is so sublime. I'm in my own true happy prime, committing a most perfect crime. The adventure of a lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, and I am not wasting any time. The world is rushing past my face in this amazing magic place. I'm running